everybody. Chad Jones with the NTCA. Come on over. Today I want to talk to you about manufactured trim. In the days past, we had all the trim that we needed for the tiles. They were smaller. We had our bowl nose, our corners, our inside corners, our base angles, all kinds of stuff. Like this Corey that has base angles, inside corners, outside corners, all the trim that we would need. Today, with the longer tiles, the manufacturers of the tile don't always make that trim. The solution for that comes from other companies that make manufactured trim. Here's some in plastic and aluminums and brass and stainless steel and all kinds of inside corners, outside corners, protections. Here's one with an expansion material. Inside corners, outside corners, all that kind of stuff. But how do we use it? So now let's talk about heights. Here's one for 2x2. And here's one for a very thick material. On this one, this material right here is too thin for this tile. It wouldn't provide much protection. Here's another one. This one provides protection and the proper amount of thin set to go underneath it. Now that we've talked about heights, let's install it. So all the basics still apply. We want to make sure that we have a clean surface. In this case, it doesn't need SSD, but you can see that we have contaminants that would contribute to bond failure. We want to make sure that we key it in. Nice full notches. Wait a second, we have this bond breaker also. Make sure that you take anything off, like stickers. Make sure it's nice and tight. If you can come over here real quick, you can see that it has affected our notches. We don't have full notches there. That's going to affect our installation. This is the weakest point of the tile if we're making a transition from, let's say, carpet to tile. Now that we have full notches up against it, let's install it, rub it back and forth. So here we see we have perfect height. Now let's check the coverage. The only way to do so is to pull up the tile. There we go, great coverage. No matter what the profile, make sure you have great coverage. Follow manufacturer's guidelines when installing, and I'll see you on the road.